something you don't know, and if we don't share, then we don't grow. Unabomber will set the whole world on fire.
Yo, we make you feel the heat. This lyric liquor my gills secretes. Ill speech stills and leaks till it fills and reveals the beat. Dollar bills don't make me feel complete. Only the oneness of God can repel and dispel deceit. Burn opponents until they smell defeat. I repeat, turning moment was when they yell retreat on the beat. My brain cells a tweak from insane levels of heat. I'm the fish with the carnivorous teeth.
Finesse in the shot, connecting the dots, we wrecking the spot, we picking the plot. It's extra hot, perplex the knot.
Rock to the detective, come and inspect the spot. Man, did it get hot?
Alone in the hot and slinging the shot with that ricochet rhythm that be rocking the spot. I secure my service for purpose stop. I defeat your whole group with verses pop. Electrical burnout, we turn out. Fast and furious flames, you'll get the word out. You heard about what we bout from the horse of word of mouth. Turn it out without a doubt, known for always speaking out. We haul ass and smash, our last to surpass. Build a blast, so the whole world love it like Outcast, the heat provider. Yo, heat up the cipher, spark up the bass with mics and start a fire.
Yo, the format is down packed, rest assured that it's the high kill, Charlie Tuna, Unabomber track.
We always give you that.
Snare, warfare, rap. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time to blow black. The format is down packed, rest assured that it's the high kill, Charlie Tuna, Unabomber track.
We always give you that.
Snare, warfare, rap. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time to blow black. This is the Soul Champ Victory Chamber. Your whole camp quick to see anger, but behold, trend, pick the remainder. That old damn victory changed the game, put it in danger, giving it major fame. My task is trying to excel past the hell mask that glamour and glitz can spell cast. And through the foul trash, absorb the shell blast like I was the most bombed hotel in Belfast.
Yeah, my rhythm rebel, I never fail. Just push it to the limit when I'm serving them well. Yo, cuss and yell, roll up another L. But can't up with this young, tough black man. My hands-on experience, no limitless, top-notch deliverance. Sound boy killer shit, protect the fame and the names of the innocent spark.